everyone, Dr. Rodman with Sports Chiropractic. So today we're going to talk about what is a tune-up. Often you'll hear us say in our office, are you coming in for a tune-up? Or a patient will say, I'm due for a tune-up. So what exactly is that? So just like a car has a specific alignment, so do our bones and our muscles like to be in a certain ideal position. So normally when someone comes in for their first visit, they're usually coming in because of an injury. So the first time someone comes in, we're trying to get them out of that injury feeling better. And then a tune-up is kind of where we try to see them as infrequent as possible to kind of keep an eye on that old injury, make sure nothing is starting again, everything's moving right in the ideal position, and what we'll do is check all the other joints at the same time. So if you hear us in our office say, coming in for a tune-up, or you hear someone saying that, it's pretty much just checking through previous injuries to make sure that they're not starting again or coming back and everything is good there, but also checking the ideal position of all the joints in our spine and our extremities. So Dr. Rodman, hope that makes sense to you. If you need a tune-up, come on into Sports Chiropractic. Have a great day.